Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, evergreen, local, and long-distance movers near me. Trust 3 Movers for exceptional service in moving with Evergreen. Our commitment to providing personalized service that caters to your specific needs sets us apart. With 3 Movers' meticulous handling of your belongings and streamlined logistics, you can enjoy a stress-free local move in Evergreen, focusing on the excitement of setting into your new space. If you're planning a long-distance move from Evergreen, our dedicated team at Evergreen Long Distance 3 Movers is here to provide you with the reliable and efficient service you need. Moving out of the city, whether it's within the state or across state lines, can be a complex undertaking. Our Evergreen movers in 2023 have the experts to handle every aspect of your long-distance relocation. We prioritize the safety of your belongings and utilize secure packing techniques to ensure they withstand the journey. With our competitive pricing options, transparent quotes, and timely delivery, you can trust us to make your long-distance move from Evergreen a seamless and successful one. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Evergreen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.